In this module, we shall introduce index of a subgroup in a group G. Let's define the index of a subgroup in a group G. Let H be a subgroup of a group G. The number of left or right cosets of H in G is the index of H in G, and it is denoted by G colon H. The index just defined may be finite or infinite. If G is finite, then obviously index of H in G is finite, and index of H in G is given by order of H over order of G over order of H. Since every coset of H contains order of H elements. Now we consider example. We are given mu, which is the cyclic permutation 1, 2, 4, 5 composed with 3, 6, and we are considering the composition from right to left. Now we find mu square, and as you know that when we compose mu with mu, then we shall get 1 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 1 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 4. It means that 1 goes to 4 and then 2 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 5. It means that 2 goes to 5. 3 goes to 6 and 6 goes to 3. It implies that 3 is fixed, and 6 goes to 3, 3 goes to 6, 6 is also fixed here. So in this manner, we have multiplied mu with mu and we shall get mu square. इसी तरह से हम mu cube को फाइंड करते हैं. म्यू को म्यू स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें या म्यू स्क्वायर को म्यू से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो हमारे पास म्यू क्यूब आएगा. और जब आप म्यू को पहले एक्ट करते हैं और फिर म्यू स्क्वायर को एक्ट करते हैं, से हम म्यू को म्यू स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब है हमने राइट से लेफ्ट हमारे पास कंपोजिशन है. तो 1 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 5. It means that 1 goes to 5. 5 goes to 1 in mu, and 1 goes to 4. 5 goes to 4 we shall obtain. And then 4 goes to 5 and 5 goes to 2. 4 goes to 2. And 3, 6 would come as it is because we are composing mu with mu square. And in the similar manner, we shall find mu 4. आप म्यू को म्यू क्यूब से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं या म्यू स्क्वायर को म्यू स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो आप देखेंगे कि आपके पास आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट आ जाएगा. तो इस तरह से हमने देखा कि म्यू का जो ऑर्डर है वो 4 है. अब हम इंडेक्स फाइंड करना चाहते हैं. वी कैन कंसीडर द साइक्लिक ग्रुप जनरेटेड बाय म्यू हैज 4 एलिमेंट्स. And here epsilon is denoted by the identity element in permutations. Here we are considering mu in the group S6. The cyclic group generated by mu is subgroup of S6. Now we are going to find index of cyclic group generated by mu in S6, and we shall have order of S6 over order of cyclic group generated by mu. And we know that order of S6 is 6 factorial and order of cyclic group generated by mu is 4. So we shall obtain index 180. Index of cyclic group generated by mu in S6 is 180.